One TV special report.
On behalf of the Honorable Vice Mayor, who is now on leave, as your acting presiding officer, I declare our 27th regular session, February 2, 2026, quorum. Approval, any motion?
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Lilvin Lagi.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning sa tanan. I move, Mr. Chair, for the approval of the order of business for police 27th regular session, Mr. Chair.
Again, moved by Honorable Lagi, Juris Candid, by Honorable Bunchungan, Honorable Mixdon, Honorable Balaes. In remarks, none. So, motion Honorable Lagi is hereby approved. Approval of the previous minutes. Recognize the Honorable Sumaba.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. I move for the approval of the previous minutes dated January 26, 2026, without any correction and dispense each reading.
There's a pending motion by the Honorable Sumaba, seconded by the Honorable Balaes. Any remarks of the previous minutes? None. Motion is hereby approved. Any members? Privilege hour. Recognize Honorable Marites Mixdon.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, and good morning, everyone. Regarding lang sa atong previous pa, no? Last 2 weeks na to, mag-visit na to sa atong dogpound, sa dogpound dito sa, kanang, somewhere in the laro to, Kinuman Shore, no? But that facility belongs to the city of Osamis. And, nagstorya mo may karoon lang ni Engineer Tita, wala pa man yun, saan ito sila ng ato, pero wala pa sila ka-ato. Then with regards sa budget, including day na sa ato ang 20%, no? So, ang ako alam na matagaan lagi na siya aksyon, kung hindi man yun ay based sa Osamis na pamaagi, wala na nila yung rights ang every barangay na muhimo ilang own dogpound. Ang City of Osamis is isa lang ang ilahang dogpound which is kanturan siya dito sa Kinuman na belongs to City of Osamis. Nakano lang din sila sa ilahang bet with naman sila ilang kaugalingon na bet. Jadi man just ka pwede po kung mo inanangawa kay kaugalingon na bet which is wala ginadali sa ato. Pero ang province is na which makakonekta dito.
Governors province.
Mo na po na ang istoryahan karon ni atong last Friday ni Mau, no, Joyce Obot, nga pulita nga mo-connect dito, ang ato alam is mo-form ng mga tao nga maoy mukat sa mga ero based yun sa kanang gitugon ba sa animal welfare, dili itong pagbitik-bitik na yun tayo kakinet, nakuha din after that, ipadala na lang dito, mo nga punto siya ito at yung malukat within 1 week ba, pagpakaon ta sa ero, dili na yun siya mo, wala din mo luka, kuhaon na lang, at mapungos na yun tatatong ilang pamaagi, which is legal way, nga assisted sa vet sa province. So, mawala na akong ikuan, Mr. Chair, kini panghingusgan yun, nga ato yun ning ma-produce with our 20% budget nga bilo ma-appeal ni siya dito para mabunos-bunosan na yun itong problema sa mga ero. Tana lang, Sir Chair, salamat.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Marites Mixdon. Any privilege? Recognize Honorable Bunchungan.
Good morning sa tanan. Last Saturday, no, Mr. Chair, the meeting me kabahin sa ato ang road clearing diri sa highway. Kauban ako si Konsehal Balaes o si Sir Ken Balatero, galing himpi sa Tulila, uban sa atong supervisor sa traffic enforcer si Arpo Tagupa. Gikan ang kasabutan, gikan diri sa Tulila Bridge, paingon dito sa Sibak Bridge, kinalan nga walay maka-parking diha along the highway. No, ang ipangita ganin ni Tarko kato mga signage untang no parking, pero wa pa man naapaman kang engineer dito at mga anak pamamayo to. Pamaday ko mga gama kay last year pa man ko na ako i-request pero pag-adto na ako dito, wala pa man dahil po na pirmay kay ang sa budget, no? Pero karon okay na to. Ako lang paibalo nga, kanang mga motor nga ipambilin diya sa along the highway, kailangan isaka diya sa gutter, no? Na may wala kayo mo tunog dire sa, di ba, 4 lanes wala kayo mo pwede ra mo parking nakahasard right ang kasi yung mga muhunong din napita nakahasard siya. At least, balag na dugay-dugay siya, pero at least nakahasar. Di yun yung ipambili na diya sa highway. Kaya siyempre nakaharang man siya sa mga motorista. Munang makulangan na ito ang kung nakaginod na diya, mahapon, nakaginod na kay dagan po kayo nga marking. Munang mutabang yung nagbantay mga traffic enforcer. Munang tarpo, iya galing i-request kita ang tangan sa eskwelahan na iyang i-pull out ng kuan, i-pull out ng enforcer niya, kaya mo gamit ng CBO, pero si Mayor at hindi pa mampun siya gusto nga CBO may magamit niya, pero pwede na daw isa mabilin with CBO sa na-assign nga barangay. Muna ang katabang ng buko ni EBC Sitilias nga unta ma-assign ng CBO sa 5 ka barangay, sa 2 lang siguro ka CBO mo duty, kung naiisa ka traffic enforcer nga mong alalay nila. Andun siguro nga mahanad na, pwede na siguro ma-pulbot yun itong enforcer. Kaya matabangan na ako ang highway. No? Kaya mo po na order ni Sir Ken Balatero, nga kaya na ma-clearing nga dili na yung traffic na dyan nabita. Mura to ako, Mr. Chair, salamat.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Bunchungan.
Mr. Chair,
In connection, Honorable Mixdon,
reaction lang niya, connection na yan,
Okay, proceed.
Mr. Chair, no? Naagit pa yung ordinansa na. Dili kayo makaingon ka nga mo parking lang niya, mga hazard lang, okay lang magdugay-dugay. Na kay certain minutes, i-allow sila, pilarang ka minutes,
Sa ordinance, 5 minutes already, pero
5 minutes
basta
lang. So,
maka-hazard
hindi
na,
na
wala
ito
naman ba?
kumilit nga mo inunta nga, isang dugay-dugay. Ako yung kaluhon, kung sa'yo nakasa itong ordinansa. Ikaduha po, ang kanang mingon mo nga, isaka lang sa ato ang kanang basta dili lang sa highway. Pero remember, na kay walkway magipa kuan magamit sa mga tao. Kaya ang mag-ibabang na nila ngadto kay makasaka lang sila din ang walkway sa mga tao hamon sila agi anas highway. So dili jud mahimo nga dili na to binlan og walkway diha sa ato ang kilid sa highway kay para na sa mga pedestrians. Ana lang, Sir Chair.
Mr. Chair, nakita ko na dito sa Usamis, maglisod kita parking dito. Gani ako, mukha ako, ibilin na gina ko sa Kinandias Cathedral. Ay na po man dyan parking area. Maglakaw-lakaw na lang din ko. Tapos ang to nga, iuli na ako. Siya mapalit na ako, iuli na ko dito sa Kinan. Mo po na ibuhato na to dire sa ato, palitan diha, kamayroon kayo ng area. Mangita sila o parking area nila, nga kabilan, dili yung magbilin dito sa highway, nga balikan hapon na. Siyempre na, ang uban kasagaran, yung una namin itabo, munang baalag, asa nila ibilin dito sa mga ilaing dalan, dito nila ibilin nga, dili ko nakaharang sa dalan. Kita na may balo kung asa tayo magbilin ng ato. Siyempre, kita igadala sa kanan, mangita kita parking area nga, dili maka-disturbo sa dalan. Muna to, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Bunchungan. Privilege, Honorable Sumabat.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, proceed,
Chair.
Honorable Sumabat. You have recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. In regards with the Katagitang road clearing within the national highways, Mr. Chair, actually, areas from the Kanangkulay going sa padulong diri sa end part of kung asa bitaw economic nato nga movement, Mr. Chair, because ang lungsod sa Tudela is dili kay siya wide yun ang areas. So meaning one of the affected was the economic activity of the area sa atong lungsod. And maybe, Mr. Chair, we need to review the ordinance because one of the most affected, as I said earlier, is the economy of our municipality of Tudela, in which these people or these businesses are also one of the backbone of our LGU. So maybe, Mr. Chair, sa among nakita, because some of the businesses, daghan sa nagtext sa mo, including me alone, Mr. Chair, no? Makita man nato, dili manggod kaya ihatag sa services nga naa dihas mga tindahan within 5 minutes. So there are services that it will take time. So we cannot process any services that we have to finish it in 5 minutes sa mga kliyente nga moanha sa mga lugar. And maybe, Mr. Chair, we need to maybe review and listen also to the other side of in which the economic movement and economy of this municipality is really affected. We need to review and kato, Mr. Chair, kini nga areas ng sulod lang siguro wherein pinaka-sentro sa atong lungsod mo'y ato ang lantaon kung unsay atong pwedeng ihimo ikatabang sa mga negosyante, Mr. Chair. Because kung makita nato like Ozami City, sakto pong ingon sa atong kauban nga si Honorable Budjungan nga, they are still allowed to park, pero di lang dyan mulapas at itong white lane nila. Because whether we like it or not, asa man mo park po ng mamalit, kay diri po sa Barangay Persentro, nagpahigayon po og no parking. So wala gyud magian, walay maparkan in our municipalities, napakagamay. Walay areas nga hatag og parking areas. And then if you go also to the Pagadian City, gi-allowed sad ang mga cars, mga vehicles nga mag-park sa kadapinan because whether we like it or not, nagitay transaction anang mga tindahanan. So maybe, Mr. Chair, in behalf also with the economic part or side, I would like to, Mr. Chair, na i-review lang natong ordinance, Mr. Chair, to help the economy movement of our municipality.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Sumabat. So, no need for further discussion, kinanta sa privilege hour pa. So, noted to with the concerned Honorable Sumabat, Honorable Mixdon, sa imo na itong committee level, Honorable Budjungan, maligyo siguro na ito ang mga ordinance tungkol kay for consideration also sa mga business establishment. Ganit mismo ang levy kiri medyo na sila sentimento gamay, no? So, ang ato lang siguro is to manage the traffic, no? So, kana na siguro, Honorable Budjungan, sige, proceed, Honorable Budjungan.
Mr. Chair, klaro lang ako, i-clarify lang ako nga walay problema sa pag-parking, naka-hazard na siya. Naka-hazard lang kayo. Mo na butante lang naka-hazard kayo, at least kita ka, nakaparking ka, nakapadapling yung puga, nag-hazard ka, naka-obstruct ka sa lalan, parking yung puga, tarong naman po yung mga traffic enforcer na na-assign. Basta naka-hazard ka, huwag may problema. Parking ka, naka-hazard lang.
Pero ang problema mo na ito, one time ito naging adlaw, nung isyo na nga po sa Libikiri, nagpatunga na ang sakyan na nag-hazard, dili pa yun sa second lane. Pero atong traffic enforcer, kasi ang mata wala gabadlong. So the problem is dili ang pag-manage sa traffic. So dili problema ang tao na nag-park. So dili ang nag-manage sa traffic, may wala nag-manage sakto sa atong traffic. Right. Yes, dili ko yung pabor sa side ng Sumabat mo, but we need to consider also sa mga negosyo sa Tudela. Okay, so with all the discussion, napapunta sa privilege, siguro for consideration, ma-review balik with Honorable Budjungan para atong makita kung sige pinaka-the best para sa tuwang lungsod sa Tudela. Sige, proceed ka. Any privilege? Wala na, proceed ka. Represent business, Honorable Lagi.
Mr. Chair, thank you, Mr. Chair. There is a letter, Mr. Chair, certified audit coming from the office of the local chief executive, Mr. Chair. I read, Mr. Chair, in view of the board's partnership between the Department of Education, the local government units, and other stakeholders to accelerate the building of school classrooms nationwide. It is also intended to be part of the realization of this noble vision. In that regard, the undersigned respectfully request for an SB resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into memorandum of agreement in relation to the implementation of this program, the template of which is hereby attached. trusting your favorable and immediate consideration to this request as this matter is certified urgent. Therefore, Mr. Chair, I move in joint sponsorship a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into memorandum of agreement in relation to the implementation of the said program. In joint sponsorship, Mr. Chair.
There's a pending motion, a joint motion, moved by Honorable Lagi. In addition, aning request ni Honorable Mayor, mo ni ang ingitinan atong ipatawag sila ni Senator Bam Aquino, no, para mapilapan ang mga shortage na sa classroom diri sa Tudela, and then aside niya ni the national government will provide, and then naapoy kuan ni 3-piece private-public partnership nga kung makabuild ang private, pwede po na ihigapon din sa tuwa sa LGU. So, mo na ang resulta atong i-attend sa atong Honorable Mayor atong nagisimana sa public hearing ni Senator Bam Aquino, isip siya ang chairman sa Committee on Education. Any further clarification? None, so wala na other one. So, motion Honorable Lagi, joint motion is hereby approved.
Petitions or requests. A. Letter from the Municipal Mayor, Stella Oristanio to wit. 1. Letter from Alfredo Lendi Villabagcat, MDLHO, dated January 14, 2026, duly noted by the Honorable Stella Oristanio, the Municipal Mayor, requesting the August body the issuance of a resolution adopting the Local Health Board Resolution number 2-2026, entitled Resolution Hiring Miss Regine Dumadag as Liaison Officer SG9 of this municipality.
Okay, recognize Honorable Paruhino.
On joint sponsorship, Mr. Chair, Dr. Alvin Bagkat request an issuance of resolution adopting the Local Health Board Resolution number 2-2026, Mr. Chair, entitled Resolution Hiring Miss Regine Dumadag as Liaison Officer sa Grade 9 in joint sponsorship, Mr. Chair.
In remarks, in addition, with the motion of Honorable Paruhino, dili siya permanent position na job order lang siya, pero ang salary grade is salary grade 9. Charge to sa ito ang i-consultant. Okay, recognize Honorable Guzman.
With clarification, Mr. Chair. Sayang ba kalesa, Mr. Chair, sa health lang ni or whole?
Sa i-consultant na ito
Saya konsultan architecture, Mr. Chair.
Okay. There's a pending motion by Honorable Paruhino. Any remarks? None. Motion is hereby approved.
Salamat sa tanan.
Proceed na.
Next, letter B, Committee on Social Services chaired by Honorable Marites Usdon. We have here committee report number 2-26 on social services. The meeting started at 9 in the morning with a prayer led by Honorable Yudusna. The committee chair acknowledged the invited, the committee member, and declared quorum. Agenda. Letter of Mayor dated January 21, 2026, requesting the Sangguniang Bayan for a resolution authorizing the municipal government to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development for the implementation of the Walang Gutom 2027 Food Stamp Program. Findings: 1. The communications from DSWD Regional Office to the Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office were not properly disseminated to the retailers in the municipality of Tudela. As a result, many retailers were not informed about the Walang Gutom Food Stamp Program. Other retailers, aside from Casas and Macas stores, could have also potentially participated in and benefited from the program. Number 2, the selected beneficiaries were based on the 2019 list, which was 6 years ago. Their living conditions may have changed since then, so the slot should be given to families who are truly deserving. Recommendations: 1. The MSWDO and BPLO will coordinate to ensure that other retailers are properly informed and allowed to apply for participation in the program. In case additional slots are provided by the central office, beneficiaries will have more retailers to choose from. Number 2, Honorable Mixdon recommended the regular assessment and monitoring of selected beneficiaries to determine whether their living conditions have improved or changed over time. Signed and approved by Honorable Mixdon, Honorable Tampog Jr., and Honorable Idusman III.
Okay, with regard to...
Recognize Honorable Mixdon.
Okay, with regard to this point, Mr. Chair, no, naano naman ito, na-discuss blessed pa kayo kay during our committee meeting dito bisita nga from Region Good to they're the one explain good kung sa ang wala po itong 2027 program, no? Food stamp ni siya, nayatag sa atong beneficiary. Actually, we have 80 beneficiary from 3 barangays, no? Barangay Gala, Barangay Namot, Barangay Namot, Barangay Tabulanunan, and Sentro na po. So, kana siya na atay 80 yan na, wala pa tayo pila-pila, no? So, sila rin dahil wala pa napasa DSWD ang pilahang mga kartong stamp. Dayon, na atay buffer nga upat ka buo. So, kung naay ma-out ato nila, kay walay labot ang mga beneficiary anin niya. So, considered sila excluded good sila sa maong programa. So, sad to say, nga napag-ulay tayo, inani kadaghan nga na ilahang nakita sa national. Ngayon, national ang nag-kuhan anin niya, nag-survey. At pero, ang survey is at to pag 2019, which is ang gap is layo na kaayo. So, wala ta kahibalo, makaning usa sa mga tao anin niya nga na-appeal sa kay household nami, nag-improve na po ng ilahang pinakuhi, no? So, undergo na po din siya uglain nga survey. Nga, ang ma-identify diapon dito lang sa taga-ibabaw. So, hoping nga, sa sunod-sunod ani, kay dili lang man pinay kay party lang sa food stamp, no? Ang mag-receive sila o 300,000 a month. Nakuhaon nila sa dumara ka, retailer, na mo'y nakadaog dili sa atoa. Ang kasas lang o kastong makas, no? So, naana diha, apil na ang go, grow, glow, bugas, mga karne o gulay, pili na. So, apil pa yun ang mga training unya sa DISDA. Kaya para i-train yun sila o connected pa yun sa duli. Nga, pankamukan yun nga, muabot ang panahon nga, ma-elevate yun sila sa ilang kawatan. So, wala na'y question. Ato na lang i-move,
Okay,
no?
From committee level, Honorable Mitch doon to second reading.
Second reading?
Yan ang sa committee level.
Okay, so I move this request, no, to second reading.
Second, Honorable Chair.
Moved by Honorable Mitch doon, seconded by Honorable Balais from committee level to second reading for deliberation shall be approved.
Next, Committee on Finance.
Part ni sa committee meeting on Thursday, no, para ma-finalize na ito ni kay aron klaro na ito para ma-download na din natin ang commitment sa LG. Okay, proceed.
Item A, calendar of business, first reading and referral of measures. A is the resolution number 6, series of 2026 of GALA. A resolution reprogramming the amount of 38,000 from the Trust Fund 2024 for additional fund for Binalbag Festival Year 2024.
Mr. Chair,
Okay, recognize Honorable Limbagan.
is the resolution number 6, series of 2026 of Barangay Galang. I move from first to second, second to third, and third to final approval, waiving our internal rules. Second, Honorable Chair.
By Honorable Limbagan, seconded by Honorable Balais. State any remarks? None. Motion is hereby approved from first to final approval.
B, Adyen 2026 for review and approval to wit. 1, Namot, Kulambutan Baho, Tigdog, Binabista, Gala, San Nicolas, and Kulambutan Baho.
Mr. Chair,
Recognize Honorable Idusman.
Abiyet 2026 for review and approve to Barangay Namot, Kulambutan, Calmen, Tigdog, Binabista, Gala, San Nicolas, and Kulambutan Baho. I move first to second reading welfare committee on finance, Mr. Chair.
Moved by Honorable Idusman.
Second.
Seconded by Honorable Lagi. State any remarks? None. Motion is hereby approved.
C is resolution number 7, series of 2025 Bitugas, a resolution reprogramming the amount of 36,240 from special program for employment of students, library program to culture and arts, and 20,000 from the financial assistance program, scope to culture and arts, and 34,000 from purchase of sports materials to culture and arts.
Mr. Chair,
Recognize Honorable Lumbay.
SK Resolution number 007 series of 2025 of Mitugas and Solution Reprogramming the amount of 36,240 from special program of employment of student of SPAS livelihood program of Culture and Arts and 20,000 from SK Financial Assistance Program School to Culture and Arts and 34,000 from purchase of sports materials to Culture and Art. I move item C from first reading to second reading and third reading, waiving the internal rules and procedures.
There's a pending motion by Honorable Lumbay.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Duly seconded by Honorable Ibaga. Is there any remarks? None. Motion is hereby approved.
This is for the basic and reading. A. Submitted against CY 2026 from Barangay Centro, Bara, Nailon, Basilang, Maribohog, Balon, Gumbil, Sibat, Yamong, Silungon, Maikay, Kabulanunan, and Sinusa, Kasilang sa Nagustin, Mitugas na Purog, and Kahayag.
Mr. Chair.
Recognize Honorable Lagi.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, update calendar year 2026 of barangay, as stated, Mr. Chair, I move from second to third and third to final approval, waiving our internal rules, Mr. Chair.
Second, Honorable Chairman.
Move by Honorable Lagi. Duly seconded by Honorable Balais. Honorable Ibaga. Is there any remarks? None. Motion is hereby approved. From second to third and final approval is hereby approved.
B. Barangay Annual Budget for FY 2026 ulit, Kulambutan Baho, Namot, Maigay, Sintro Ulpa, Basirang, Sibag, Napuro, Kulambutan Settlement, Kasilang, San Agustin, and Maribohog.
Mr. Chair,
Recognize Honorable Lagi.
barangay annual budget for calendar year 2026, Mr. Chair, barangay Kulambutan Baho, barangay Namot, Maikay, Sintro Ulpa, Basirang, Sibag, Napuro, Kulambutan Settlement, Kasilang, San Agustin, and Maribohog, Mr. Chair. I move from second to third and third to final approval, waiving our internal rules, Mr. Chair.
Second, Honorable
By
Chair.
Honorable Lagi. Duly seconded by Honorable Budjungan, Honorable Balais, Honorable Imbaga. Is there any remarks? None. Motion Honorable Lagi. From second to third, third to final approval is hereby approved.
Item C, D, and E, scheduled public hearing this coming February 5, 2026, 1 p.m.
February 5 sa wala ka?
Thursday, 1
Thursday,
p.m.
1 p.m. Ato nang napadala ko buwan later ang mga invitation na.
Karating hapon siya lang. So, ito pala lang.
Tarong hapon. Di na to may schedule ulit. Wala pa yung mga kwan kay kini magud nga public hearing is basic na i-conflict ani kay tulura ba ni ka ordinance. So at least naagilong ta ang tanang members sa committee during sa public hearing. So what's the pleasure of the body kay basic pwede nato ni i-reschedule og lain adlaw. Una mo yung mga personal ba at least for consideration perfect in attendance during sa public hearing kay tulong ni ka ordinance. Ordinance authored by the Honorable Mixdon, Ordinance authored by the Honorable Idusma, and Ordinance authored by the Honorable Tampuo. Thursday. Kung mahimo ta kanana si Vice. Next week na lang? Wala pa mo kapadala ko later? Sige. I-reschedule nato ni by next week na kanana si Vice niyo. At least wala pa po atin si Vice o pag-hearing sukad sa tuwa. So, reschedule nato ni o next week na lang as soon as ang ato Honorable Vice Mayor is na anadri sa makabalik na. Prepare na. Alas mo padala ko later karon. Kung okay ba? Majority or is pictures of ban? Okay na po?
Okay na, Mr. Chair, pero i-ready later lahat pa. Dagan mo na, bato ba budget para sa pawis na.
Ayaw sa mo pag-book dito kaya kasi kaya sa ano po.
Ikuan naman ako kanina,
Ayaw sa iklaro na i-risk sa kay kuan. Kung pwede na si Vice Mayor sa tubo.
Murang na, committee on hold. Kaya halos na naman.
Okay, third and final, wala. ABC Matters, recognize Honorable Sintillas, ABC Matters. Any concern?
Hello. Thank you, Honorable Chair. DLG instruction. Tanan household sa Tudela, gipa, tanan kapitan, gipa produce me o kananang senso sa tanan iro. Oo. Tanan kapitan, mag-submit o tanan household, pila ka bukiro, nakapulong o dili. para makuha tanan ang tagiya sa iro og naay mga iro og wala iro mo pirma gyapon nga wala sa iro. Ang instruction sa DLG asap may bawaan na to tanan household
So,
ko
nagsugod na?
nagsugod na. Ipasubmit na tanan sa mga barangay. Then ang instruction sa Ligo sa among Federated EBC pa-submit po to EIP budget sa ila. Asap diya po. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Okay. Honorable Centillas, check. Ang katong 25,000 ito na ito. Go. 2026 na. Nga anong budget. Proceed.
Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Thank you. Next, scheme matters.
Mr. Chair, good morning everyone. Scheme matters, Mr. Chair, nag-conduct meeting last Friday, Mr. Chair, regarding the M&D or the monitoring and evaluation for the year 2025 na programs na Mr. Chair.
Sa Friday.
Atong ngayong Friday, Mr.
Atong
Chair.
Friday. Pero kumura.
Mga teacherman LYDO, Mr. Chair.
Wala yung invite ang ALG.
Wala na to sir, Mr. Chair, kami for consolidated report, Mr. Chair. Then, we will conduct provincial meeting sa Federation this coming Saturday, Mr. Chair. This week, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Okay, so other matters? Okay, recognize Honorable Sumaba.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Okay na ito ang check sa PCL, Mr. Chair. Deposit na ito siya.
Ang atong ticket,
Wala pa, Mr. Chair. Magkuhan pa ta. Then, Mr. Chair, mapibalo lang po sa tanan niya na namin meeting, Mr. Chair, sa region karong February 4.
okay. Thank you, Honorable Sumaba. Any motion to adjourn? Kung wala na may motion. Okay. Recognize Honorable Balais.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. Move by Honorable Balais to be seconded by Honorable Laging. Any other concerns? So none. Motion is hereby approved. Session is hereby adjourned. Exactly. Oras na.
Alas 10:45.